Good morning, student. Now we'll start triple product of three vector that is given at the end of the book, second part, which is the additional chapter. So triple product of three vector. Triple means three vectors only. Page number 620. Now triple product means now A, B, C are the three vectors. Then first we'll think of A dot B dot C. B dot C will give you a scalar quantity, then A dot scalar quantity which is not defined, not possible. Okay. Next, coming A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C is A dot C into B, A dot B into C, which is not in the portion. Not in the portion. Okay. Next, coming mixed product A dot B cross C. It is defined and we are going to discuss this one only. Okay. So let A, I am writing the A, B, C in terms of components. Then A dot B cross C already we know, that is right, can write, then expanding this one, then finally dot product, this one coming, and this can be changed into determinant form. So if you ask to find, so write these coefficients or components in determinant form, then calculate it. It is very easy. Okay. So let us proceed. Now geometrical interpretation of the triple product. Okay. So geometrical, we have taken a parallelepiped. What is parallelepiped? Parallelepiped is a shape where opposite faces are parallel. So it is not cuboid. Okay. Base is parallelogram and all the sides are parallelogram. Opposite faces are, when it is 90 degree, then it is cuboid or cube. Otherwise, it is a parallelepiped. Just opposite faces are parallel. Now what happened? Let three sides of the parallelepiped is written by B vector, A vector, B vector and C vector. Then what is B cross C? B cross C is BC sin theta and a vector perpendicular to this. BC sin theta and a vector perpendicular to this. What is BC sin theta? BC sin theta is the area of parallelogram that we have already discussed. Okay. Now A dot n cap. A dot n cap will be projection of A vector on n cap. Projection of A vector on n cap, that is means this height AE. Projection of this vector on this, projection of A vector, if we draw perpendicular, this is the projection. So this will be AE into area of, so area of base into height, that is the volume of any regular figure is area of base into height. By that we get volume of the parallelepiped. So if in a parallelepiped, if three sides represented by three vectors, then A dot B cross C gives you the volume of the parallelepiped. So from this only we can conclude more coplanarity of three vectors. What is coplanar? Three or more lines lies on the same plane, coplanar of three vectors. So if just see, if A is lies on the same plane, then what happened? This will be, angle will be 0. Okay. So this, if A lies on, then height will be 0, then it will be 0. So for coplanar, if three vectors are coplanar, then this A dot B cross C, volume of parallelepiped will be 0. Height will be 0, then it will be 0. Okay. Now this triple product, also known as box product. A cross B dot C, we can write ABC without any dot anything. Just write ABC with a box. So it is called also box product. Similarly, B cross C dot A, we write BCA. So ABC, BCA, ABC, these are all cyclic forms, so all are equal. ABC, BCA. But if you write ACB, then they are not equal. This is not coming in the order ABC. So if you make it order, you have to give a minus sign. Further, if two vectors coming in the same box, that is theta is 0, then it is coming 0, it became a 0. Okay? Sorry, I hope you understood. Now let us start exercise 10.5, page number 622. Three vectors given A, B, C, and we have to find box product of ABC. Box product of ABC means determinant of A dot B cross C. That is determinant of this. Directly write the copies in the determinant form. Then open it. What we are solving deeper, 24 cubic unit coming. It is a parallelepiped, so coming. Okay. Now next question, we have to find lambda given three vectors are coplanar. Again, if they coplanar, write the coefficient in the box product, that will be 0. Write the components in the determinant from 0. Then we calculate lambda. So it is coming 15. Okay. Further, one more question. Given four vectors, given position vector of four vectors are given. Question number 5. We have to prove that they are coplanar. Position vectors given from origin to that point. Just I am drawing a figure. This is the origin A, B, C, D. So position vector of A given, that is OA vector, then OB vector, OC vector, OD vector. So these three position vector given, by that we make a plane and write the three vectors, not position vector. Like I have written AB vector. AB vector is position vector of B minus position vector of A. Okay. I told to do the vectors in either diverging or converging. So as I taken AB, I have taken AC, then I have taken AD. Four vectors change into three vectors. If three vectors given directly, write the coefficients or components in the determinant form. If four vectors given, then change into three vectors. Important question these are. Now find their box product. Box product means write the coefficient, then solve it, it is coming 0. So these four vectors are coplanar. So you complete the remaining question. Any doubt you can ask. Next class will start three-dimensional straight line in space. Thank you.